Hello and welcome to another Circle Pro video. In this video I'll be showing you how to make the pieces of this magic egg puzzle. First I'll show how this egg can be hatched to form one particular bird. And that's just one of the many birds that can be made using the pieces of that magic egg puzzle. Now I'll show you how you can make those pieces using Circle Pro. First we'll start at the centre pivot point with a pen. Draw two concentric circles, one of radius 25mm and one of radius 60mm. Next, I'm going to mark two diameters of both circles perpendicular to each other. And I'm going to draw a circle of radius 35mm centered at that point there. So again, with the pen as the pivot point, and select a radius of 35mm. There we have it. Next, at this point here, I'm going to draw an arc of radius 120mm. Now these dots here, or circles, small holes I should say, are 120mm apart, so I'll use those. So I'll use this one here, and I'll place a pen as the pivot point, and this one up here I'll use to draw an arc. And the same on the other side, pivot point there, and draw an arc up there. Now I'll draw the bits that we need to cut out using pen. First I'll draw these lines here going right through, and one on the other side. Next, down there, and this one, and across here. And finally right across the horizontal diameter of the original large circle. So they're the pieces that I require. I'll rub the internal lines out, and there are the pieces we need to make a magic egg puzzle.